What is going on, Coaster Spotters? We are back at Prosper Town Park for Jersey Devil update number 17, filmed on December 30th. Construction has resumed on Jersey Devil. New track pieces are going in. The crane is up, they're active. So let's take a quick look from across the lake, and then we're going to head into the park, since they're open for another few days, and give you a look at it. First off, we can see that the block brake and the drop off of the block brake has been installed, and this is a very good reason why I cannot fly after 8 a.m. Here we can see a piece of track being freshly put in place. Track up to the block brakes, and the drop off of the block brakes has all been installed, including the stairs that will lead up to the catwalk that will eventually be installed next to the block brake track. Right where those little plates you can see on the track in the center, that is where the track ended for the last 9 months or so. As you can see, those little protective boxes are still on the brakes. So currently they're working on getting some of those connections together. Like you can see, that was done previously on the piece on the right. And then once they've done that, they're going to lower it down and connect it to that support there. But as you can see right now, it's just kind of swaying in the wind a little bit.
Here you can see that they're removing one of the connection plates that's temporarily bolted onto the previous track piece, and now they're putting it into its final resting place.
here's the rest of the track sitting underneath Nitro. Alright, so that track piece has now been disconnected from the crane, and looks like they're about done for the day. Alright, that is it for today. Looks like they're wrapping it up. Not enough time and daylight to do another piece. So we will be back for one more update on closing day in a few days. And that's it. Construction update number 17 done. Great to see that they're finally moving forward, and it's not going to get delayed until 2022 like Six Flags Over Texas did with Aquaman. So great news all around. And when I was marathoning Nitro a week and a half ago, I was just thinking, man, I should be on Jersey Devil right now. And it's unfortunate, but all these things had to happen with everything that's going on, and just happy to see progress again. And after riding Wonder Woman back in October, I couldn't be more excited for this. It looks absolutely fantastic. So that's it. Thanks for watching The Coaster Spot. This has been Alex. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.